Welcome, my dear student, in Prep 1. Our lesson today, number 5 in Unit 4, Parallelism. Let's start. We will study in this lesson angles formed from two straight lines and a transversal, like this. We have two straight lines L and M, and we have straight line N is called a transversal. We have here in this case 8 angles which could be classified as follows. First we have alternate angles like this. Letter Z, we have angle 4 and angle 6. They are alternate angles. And we have angle 3 and angle 5. They are like letter Z, they are alternate angles. And we have also corresponding angles like this. I can see letter F. So, angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. And also we have angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. We have also F here like this. We have angle 5 and angle 1 corresponding. Another letter F like angle 2 and angle 6. All these angles are corresponding. Another kind of angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Like this. Angle 4 and angle 5 are interior angles, and they are on the same side of the transversal, like letter C or letter U. We have also angle 3 and angle 6. They are interior angles, and they are on the same side of the transversal. What about relation between pairs of angles formed from two parallel straight lines and a transversal to them? If we have straight line L parallel to another straight line M, and we have a straight line N as is a transversal to them. I told you before we have 8 angles. By measuring, you can find that the two alternate angles like letter Z, 4 and 6. We will find measure of angle 4 equal measure of angle 6, and also measure of angle 3 equal measure of angle 5. So, if a straight line intersects two parallel straight lines, then each two alternate angles are equal in measure. What about corresponding angles? Like letter F. Measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 5 are equal. Also we have measure of angle 2 equal measure of angle 6. Measure of angle 4 equal measure of angle 8. Measure of angle 3 equal measure of angle 7. So, if a straight line intersects two parallel straight lines, then each two corresponding angles are equal in measure. interior angles. Remember, letter C or letter U. Measure of angle 4 plus measure of angle 5 will be equal 180, and also measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 6 will be equal 180. So, if a straight line intersects two parallel straight lines, then each two interior angles in the same side of the transversal are supplementary. What is the meaning of supplementary? The sum of the two angles will be equal 180 degree. We have an example here. In the opposite figure, we have AE parallel to BC. Measure of angle DAE equal 70 degree and measure of angle B equal 50 degree. Find the given reasons. Measure of angle EAB and measure of angle EAC. First, in this example, you can find letter Z. We have measure of angle B equal 50. So you can find measure of angle EAB equal 50. Because AE parallel to BC, therefore measure of angle EAB equal measure of angle ABC. They are alternate angles. This number 1. What about number 2? Measure of angle EAC. We can find a straight line CD. We can say that we have measure of angle CAD equal 180, straight angle. And we have measure of angle DAE equal 70 and angle EAB equal 50. So AD and AC, two rays, are on the same straight line. Therefore, measure of angle EAC equal 180 minus, between two brackets, 70 plus 50. It will be 60 degree. Because measure of angle EAC equal of angle EAB plus measure of angle BAC, you can find measure of angle EAC equal 50 plus 60. It will be 110 degree.